I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna leave that as the intro for tomorrow's video when we're at IKEA or wherever we're at. Anything you gotta say?
It's quite a lovely establishment we got going on here.
He does look good in pink.
I do look good in pink. Please send me that, by the way.
I got you.
That is lovely. That is lovely. Excuse me?
I don't have the key anymore.
I got a cat key. You can turn that pussy on, you know what I'm saying? Not the cat key, bro. You got a cat key and a Toyota key. Forklift
You have a
key.
Toyota key. Oh.
Alright, here we are at 45% in my camera right now. Let's make the most of it. Right now we're going to Monkey Kingdom apparently.
I wonder who this could be.
Right there.
That's a better one. That's better than the other one.
I know, bro. It's fitting. There's so many.
Can you buy me that one? I just want to take it home.
He just wants his family back.
It's like a little me.
What happened to his family back, bro?
He looks terrified.
Yo!
He looks absolutely. Oh,
I don't know what's that at night.
It's not my problem. He's like, Mom, why does it smell like balls?
Oh shit, there's a soccer ball. Luis, get it.
You bean dip ass motherfucker. Bean dip ass? It's crazy. Yeah,
For you fucking bitch. You're being racist, bro.
Holy fuck.
You're being racist.
Never mind.
Figure Nico with that.
He looks like a shark, bro. He looks like those disabled fat people.
No, you?
Oh, okay. My turn.
You have to put an alien.
It's a good resemblance.
Oh no. What are you doing?
Well, you just figured Nico. Or not Nico.
Oh, dude, do you drive an ID Buzz?
I actually do.
You drive an ID4?
Fuck those ID
That's what I'm saying, bro.
ID Buzz hate is not allowed.
Well, ID4.
Bro, you can get them with a diesel.
Really?
Yeah, and
The bitches zoom. The bitches are zooming, dude.
Yeah. I went in the Rivian pickup truck.
Hell no. Fuck that.
We don't have GLIs and fucking.
You turn yourself in, we'll give you a certain amount of money and a free plane ticket back to
They
your
used to run
country.
that ad on YouTube, dog.
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck?
They used to run that ad on YouTube. We're trying to get the other side of the camera, Luis, not me.
I'm recording you.
Ugly boy. Oh, whoa, it flipped.
That's yourself. That's yourself, buddy.
We should all buy
That's low-key tall.
Wait, we should post to the LWB wearing the same thing.
Bro, IKEA bucket hats.
That's my dad, bro. That's my dad. That's fucking Mario. Where's Luigi? Right here.
Oh.
Winces.
Why do you gotta use my problem?
Winces.
Winces.
So,
Alright, queue up, queue up.
yeah, we're gonna get on some ranked right now. So, some ranked Rainbow Six Siege right now.
Alright.
Currently platinum. Trying to get to emerald.
Oh, look at me. Fucking chopped.
So I got some porn on this.
What? Yeah, one of them old ass ones. Oh yeah, that's my car.
Yeah? Be quiet.
E85, huh?
Nah, E86. I'm like that.
Big difference.
Oh,
Big E60.
huge difference.
Big E60 over here. Yeah.
Oh!
Hey look, Kyle, I got some boots for you. The little rubber booties. Right here. Right here. Rubber booties. Oh, I can fit in those. I can fit in those.
What's that shoe you wear?
This is not Transformers.
That's that.
This is not Transformers.
I'm a smooth 10 and a half.
What the fuck?
What's up, Shane?
Sir?
Sir? Sir?
Wait, this might be the thumbnail. This might be the thumbnail. Oh!
Oh, they're fucking closed. No chicken tenders. Salted chips, 99 cents.
The belonging.
How to pronounce it? What is that?
It's the.
Bro, I am
You go to Kane's game?
I'm not opposed at all.
I ain't never. I fuck up Kane's.
We know.
At least I'm not the only one. Wait, but
And afterwards, we're getting watermelon and Kool-Aid.
what's your signature food though? Sauerkraut?
Damn.
I'm
It's
asking.
the bread.
bread
It's the bread at Cane's.
type
Yeah.
shit.
No, that's got
Bread?
too much. That's got too
You
much
make the
seasoning.
bread?
That's got too
Right.
much flavor.
What?
You make the bread?
Yeah, too much butter. No,
You be whipping that dough, you be like,
but before they butter it, before they even bake it.
They put salt on the fries.
elevator? Can I have the Texas toast untoasted?
Just the toast?
Yeah, you look like a fucking sped.
I underestimated the sausage.
Bro's gonna be like,
Yeah,
Nico.
so massive elevator.
I'm not gonna jump. I'm not gonna jump.
What floor?
One. Nico,
Oh,
bro,
shit.
you jump, bro. This shit gonna piss me off. That's all I'm gonna say to you.
Nico.
I'm gonna be good. I'll be good.
Nico.
Hold on, wait.
We ready?
Ew.
Do I hit the alarm button?
No.
Nigga, don't do nothing.
That's true.
Goddamn it. Bring your ass over here.
Yeah, they got pencils right there.
Nico's the biggest.
You ready,
man.
Nico? You ready? Let's bounce this shit. Adrian, let's bounce this shit.
I'm not jumping.
Thank God you don't weigh it, like.
Oh my.
He almost
That
fucked
is
us up.
small.
He almost fucked us up.
I felt the whole elevator tilt
Oh.
that way.
It's not working.
Imagine it just stops. It just keeps going up and down.
I knocked out. Oh my god, it's cold.
Where the fuck are you going? Alright, we're going to Cane's, right? Why are we going that way?
Where the hell's my car at?
Park over there.
You guys sure?
Yeah, hold on.
No!
No, we did not.
We parked over here to the left.
We're over here, dude.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are, you dumb.
Oh, wait, yeah, I can see my car.
Your GTI, yeah.
Just look for the GTI
Hey,
with the cracked lid.
hey, y'all never leading again. My mama. Never, ever.
Bro, I'm gapping you. I'm gapping you, bro.
fucking idiot.
I'm gapping you. Sad looking. Fucking Nico's exhaust is so messed up. When I get to go forward, you can see his the pipe so low in the back. For kids. Oh, he's gonna come in here. Wait. I need to tell you something. Hold on. My hands are so cold. Wait, why is there a baddie cashier? Hold on.
Just fucking spilled my damn drink.
Big back.
You got a lid on, how'd you spill it?
That's a good question.
Look at this guy, the Cania combo. Holy fuck.
Extra piece of toast, or sub the coleslaw with toast.
I wish I swapped my
Extra hands
coleslaw, bro. I did not do that. I'm not fat enough to. Fuck.
Always gotta be fun.
Well, I already ate at home. I ate tacos and I ate like 6 of them. 6, 7? Say that again? But yeah, I'm not hungry right now. I might get something to drink, but I don't know. I feel comfortable now.
Like you having his food so perfectly.
I'm hungry.
Really got a meal on
see
this,
that.
Louis?
I respect it. But every time I do it, I'm fat.
Kyle.
Because you are.
No, Louis, put it back on. Are you gonna hold it in here or what? Yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna take a picture.
I'm recording, buddy.
Oh,
Fucking idiots.
I was gonna say.
If you are reading this, you're good. Oh.
Don't tell him to get out loud.
All I know is that last time I talked to
Let's go.
we're gonna have fun taking that one out.
Holy fuck.
Adrian, where's your Jetta?
It's gone.
Huh?
It's gone.
Oh, my car. Is that an eco?
It is. What kind of... When they got a walkway there?
Like 940.
941. We're going to the convention center. I'm gonna see if the kids are out. I'll be back.
You can open the door on whatever side you're on.
What percent do you have?
15.
Really?
Shit's dark as hell. Yeah,
I have.
Today.
We did it though. We did it though.
Alright, we did it.
We out here.
So this is the guy who hosted this, not hosted, made up this fucking event.
This was his idea.
And then yeah, and then we got Mr. S4 Wheels, and you got me, Crack Lip.
Show the
All right.
cars. Show the
Go
cars.
by, guys! Show the cars!
Who else is leaving?
You know that's half a Lamborghini Huracan?
I know. The 2.5 sounds sick.
Fuck, I'm cold as fuck.
I was heading on to the do you know joke.
I bet. Goodbye, guys.
Bye, Louise.
There's a Mark IV behind me.